Let's look at some options using Import CAD Tool utility. This utility can be found in Tool Manager, Import tab, CAD button. Browse to the location of your CAD tool assembly file. Support for step format is standard. With this sample, the tool type is milling, units are inch, surface normals are pointing outward, and model export tolerance is set to 0.01 units. If the components are not identified as holder or cutter, you can identify them by using the drop-down menu using group or individual selections. You can also choose to omit certain models if they are not useful to the simulation by checking the box adjacent to the model in the blank column. Select a protected location for your newly created ply files by browsing to the location. We can now import this tool assembly into Tool Manager. For each model, we can see the ply file name and location. Your tool assembly will fail if these files are removed or deleted. With milling tools, we can eliminate the use of ply files by opting to use revolved profiles, which are not dependent on external files and are saved with your Vericut tool library or TLS file. This method can also be useful in removing unnecessary features from your tool components. Next, we will import the same tool and demo the revolved profile method. We can use the same settings to import these models. Again, define the models as either revolve or holder. In addition, we will define the revolved profile for each model by selecting its revolved axis. In this case, we will select the Z-axis, which represents the spun axis of this tool. Notice the profile for the holder model lines up with the drive slot. We can avoid this by selecting an alternate slice plane. No need to select a path for the ply files as none are created. The tool is ready to be added. Notice the drive slot features have been eliminated. In addition, these models can now be easily modified by editing the revolved profile entities. For example, we can remove the taper portion of the holder as it is not necessary for the simulation accuracy. This method can also be used to easily modify standard holders which have been modified for production reasons, such as extra clearance or other modifications. For more information on this and other topics, please consult the Vericut help or contact CG Tech support.